How to disconnect YouTube TV from your phone, step by step. So first thing you want to do, according to Google, or this guide right here, as you can see when you search Google, first you want to do is open your YouTube app on your phone, and then tap your profile picture. Now from your profile picture, you can go to the settings, and then in the settings, tap the general button, and in the general button, tap the watch on TV option. From there, you can select the delete devices and tap on it, and then simply just tap delete to remove the link, smart TV, or the streaming devices, or which in short is disconnecting your YouTube TV from your phone. So, if you watch YouTube on your smart TV and by linking to your devices using your phone, you can do that by simply just deleting it or removing it by going to the settings. As you can see, if you use or browse YouTube on your smart TV or your streaming devices and you want to get rid of it, you can just easily disconnect it by going and doing these steps right here. And that is how you disconnect YouTube TV from your phone.